This is a do-it-yourself wood planer made from 2x4s. Some planks that I'm trying to make them straight. You can see that this side's wider, this side's skinnier. So what you do is at the biggest width, and I'm using the blue edge, what I do is I flip, take the board, and you're gonna go down to the skinny end and just go to the edge. And you're gonna screw it down. So you just leave a little bit. You're gonna do that to the same to the other side. You can just move it how you want it. Screw in it. Flip over. So the blue side is going to be going on there, and then you're gonna just push it right on. And there you can see pretty much flush with that blue line there. It's straight. To make the other side straight, just using the straight side, put it along your slider to remove the other side, using this straight line as your reference.